know, it hasn't been windy in Florida in a very long time. But every time I want to record a video, oh, it's windy, all right. And everyone wants to mow their grass, and then there's planes. Hey, the inside of my car already looks like garbage. I know. Stop it. I understand. I'll explain why in a second. Ooh. Oh no, wait, that's empty. They're both on there. That's fine. I need a vacuum for that stuff. Anyway, moving on. Hello everyone. Welcome back to I Don't Know What I'm Doing. And once again today we're doing something that I still don't know what I'm doing about. I need to fix my turn signals. Apparently they stopped working. Don't exactly know how or why, but yeah, they stopped working. I'll explain a little bit more into detail, but that is what we're going to be working on today. It's approximately 400 degrees outside, and if I'm being honest, I probably should have done this maybe 2 or 3 hours earlier when it was really cloudy. But it's whatever. Neither here nor there. The hat, that's the fix. Anyways, oh god, there's other issues. We installed the seat, but the function to get it to slide, it looks like it works on this side, but not on the passenger side. So I gotta get that fixed, which means I probably have to take the chair back out. Lovely. Also, take this out. See that? It just sinks. That's another issue that we have to address. That's for another day. Let's get these turn signals working. Okay, so the point for today's video is to get the harness, which is right here on this side. To get it out, get the entire turn signal assembly out. That way we can replace it. Now, as you can see, we've already done work to the car. We had the horn functioning and everything. And the turn signal one day just stopped turn signaling. These are the flashers. Originally, I thought this is what was wrong. So I got brand new ones. This is what the old ones look like. And so I got these replaced with those. These, the hazard one still worked, but the turn signal one doesn't. So my guess is this turn signal thing is done. So what we're gonna do is we're going to disassemble this all over again. We're gonna torque it back down after we're done. We're gonna replace the hazard switch and the entire wiring, which if you follow it to here, this big clip with all these wires going into it, I gotta disconnect that and connect a brand new one. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, my phone keeps shutting off for some reason. I am melting. I'm losing my patience. Phone, if you do it again, I'm throwing it out the window. Okay? Alright, anyways. I'm struggling to take this thing out. I'm going to continue to struggle. Because I need it to come out. Like yesterday. Like when I say I need you to come out, I need you to... you need to come out. Not now, but like when I first started prying on you, that's when you should have started coming out. Come on. You're ruining my column here, buddy. You're making me look bad. You're making it look like I don't know what I'm doing at all. I mean, I got an idea. Who am I kidding? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, thank God. This royal pain is what you are, okay? Sit there and think about what you've done. Anyways, now we're here. 3 Phillips heads that I need to disconnect. And I gotta take this thing off too. I see it tightens this way, so it's gotta tighten the other way. So if I grab it onto here and I turn it, and then I keep doing that, right? Come on. There you go. Come on. You wanna. There you go. Ha ha ha. Turn signal lever. Off. Now, let me, hang on. All right, it's loose. Now, next thing is to disconnect this wiring harness. So, be right back. Oh my God. What a pain. Who made this thing? Who wants to work on cars when they're this complicated? What? There's a number up here. 7058? Sounds like a motorcycle chase. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. I'll be back with you guys in a second. Hang on. Well, after struggling with this for the better half of 28 minutes, finally got it out. Wiring harness, definitely not in good condition. And I can't wait to throw it out, because this was annoying. Complicated, stressful, it's all the bads. I should be able to push this up and, yep, there we go. Oh, okay, so just like that. Turn signal switch apparatus removed. Thank you, Jesus. Let me just throw all this dirt into the carpet. So I gotta vacuum the floor anyways. Oh wait, it's not. Actually, it's just sitting in here. Not a great idea. Just like that. It's more to vacuum later, but less to do now. All right, here we are with our new, nice, interestingly clean piece right here. So let me look at this old one. How does this old one look? Oh, it looks just like it. It just doesn't have this. Oh, okay. It just goes in the clip. Okay, I thought I broke it. I was like, I just bought this thing. Don't worry, you didn't break it. You're nervous. It's fine. Oh, this cable, bro. I swear, the little light cable, pain. Absolute and utter pain. There we go. Aha! Finally, there we go. Let's get it bolted down before we try anything. Let's put this beautifully crafted new one in here. Ridges, and we turn, and then we go right back on top of those ridges and we turn. All right. Fantastic. This goes somewhere around here. Now, I would love to see if this works before I ever fully assemble the rest of this. Don't tell me you're gonna be just as complicated to get back in. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah, you're fine. You'll be all right. I just need to
get it to click. I really don't want to bend those cables, especially not on the new harness. Wiring harness connected. Oh my god. That was like an unnecessarily long time. My fingers are aching. Oh my god, that hurt like crazy. This better work. Because if this doesn't work, I might just cut that entire harness out. Signaling with my hands from here on out. I cannot believe the amount of force I had to use for that.
Okay, battery is live. That's the door alarm. I'm gonna try to keep that quiet with my foot. All right, cool. Turn signals. They should turn signal now. I genuinely have no idea why it clicks on a few times but not all the times. I have no idea. Let me try something else. Okay. So, what could have possibly caused this to not work? I don't know. What do you mean you don't want to go in there? Oh, it's the other way. Like this, and that way. Push in, damn it. There you go. Cool. Wanna try this again? Let's see if any of this works now. Like that one's flashing too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We might have found the problem. There's no power coming here. All the pieces are there. I wonder what's going on. God, that bulb was big. No wonder it was such a pain to get out of there. Jeez. Anyways. That's how you replace light bulbs in a car that doesn't have signals at work.